Today, we are at World Mithai Convention Expo, Kolkata. And in this expo, we are showcasing biomass-based heating solution for the industry. Now, this industry has been traditionally relying on oil and gas for various applications. So, we are presenting biomass-based solution, which include biomass-based thermic heaters, biomass-based steam boilers, as well as conversion technologies for oil and gas burners to biomass. Along with that, we have custom-made solution for Namkeen industry as well. For example, we have been closely working with Poha and Murmura manufacturers for their roasting application. So we have developed biomass-based heating solution for this roaster industry as well. So to know more about our products and our offerings, visit our website or check out our YouTube channel.